I'm a one and done buyer and never going to take care of my health until it's a problem and I'm being reactive. Like, it's not for that. It's if Hey, this is Lance McGowan and
Molly Simpson.
And today we're covering the many benefits of the Natural Solutions Kit, and we're highlighting a couple of our favorite products, which is wild orange oil, as well as Melaleuca essential oil. All right, well, let's get into the problem now. Okay. I gotta be a Donald Downer for just a little bit, and then you gonna turn things around, because you always turn things around.
Let's be honest.
Let's be honest, right? Let's keep it real. Synthetic solutions come with side effects and can lead to liver and kidney toxicity over time, which is no bueno.
No, that's not good for anyone. I wouldn't want that for me or anyone in my family. The solution is a Natural Solutions Kit, because you can learn how to become a healer in your own home through replacing synthetic and toxic solutions with natural solutions.
That sounds like a no-brainer to me. That's right. Getting rid of the not-so-good stuff and getting the awesome natural things that support your hormones, that supports your endocrine system and your immune function. That's great. Like, count me in. I'm in, right?
Yeah, we're already in. We've been using these, but we want to introduce you to a couple today. So we're going to start with, this is our wild orange essential oil. This comes from the rind of the orange. So it's just cold pressed, and it is a very sweet, fresh citrus. Yeah, go ahead. This is called the happy oil. So it is the main chemical benefit is called limonene, and it is a very powerful cleanser, purifying agent. It supports a healthy immune function, and it's very uplifting to the mind, the body, the mood.
That's right. I feel happy already. Right? I feel happy already. I use this in my green smoothies. Love it. I use it on my hands to clean them. Such an amazing and versatile oil. One of my favorites for sure.
I love it too.
Yes.
I think it's a lot of people's favorite.
Yeah, right? We're not alone on that one. All right, the next one is Melaleuca oil, or tea tree oil, as it's called for some folks that like to call it that, right? So it's renowned for its cleansing and rejuvenating effect on the skin. That's right. It also promotes healthy immune function when used internally. So doTERRA's oils can be used internally, especially this one as well. And then you can ingest to protect against environmental and seasonal threats. And I actually use this in the morning with a fractionated coconut oil, which is featured over there, which we'll talk about in another video, so stay tuned for that. I use it with 3 other oils as well for my skin, and it really helps with promoting a more clear complexion. And you know, I get breakouts here and there, but this oil combined with those others, amazing. Absolutely love this. So amazing for the skin, for ouchies, for boo-boos, for breakouts, for just
fingernails, toenails, all that good
jazz,
stuff.
all that jazz, right? That's right. So some people may be wondering, Malie, why doTERRA? Why would I choose doTERRA over all the other companies out there?
All the other companies out there. Well, doTERRA is the largest, and they're the most trusted, most transparent essential oil company on the market today. They are totally debt-free, and the founders have over 150 years combined experience in natural solutions. And their mission is to create, and has been to create, the most highest quality standard on the market today, which they now have, which is called Certified Pure Therapeutic Grade. So there you have it. That's why you should choose doTERRA.
And that's why I chose doTERRA as well. And then the quality is so important, because, you know, we don't skimp out on our vacation quality or home quality or car quality, or, you know, maybe the food part on some people, not us, right? But we, you know, our body's a temple. We got to take care of it. So quality helps to ensure that you get consistent results and you have a positive experience. And that's what it's all about. And so when you open up that bottle, you want to know that you're going to get the same result or experience every single time. And doTERRA helps ensure that. And some people may be asking, like, should I go with somebody local, out of state? I mean, why would I choose Malie and Lance? I mean, really, why?
Well, I have been with doTERRA for over 5 years now. So I know the oils, I know the blends, I know the products. I live and I breathe the oils, and I have all these products. I use them every day. So I am very good at helping people, with their health priorities as well. I know you've been with doTERRA for over 4 years yourself, so you also have this passion for online, YouTube, and educating people through the online process so they can learn right from their own home.
That's right, yeah, and Lee's one of the people that introduced me to the oils, and it's just been such a great part of our wellness journey to kind of help improve our health and help other people do the same. And we also have a whole food plant-based focus because we know that the oils are not going to solve all the problems, right? They help with some things, but not everything. And what's really great is when we eat right, we can enhance the benefits that we experience when we use essential oils, which is very, very powerful. And then also we have a quick email and text response time so that you don't feel ignored or rejected. We hate that feeling. And so we just want to make sure you're always feeling like you're a part of a family and that you're feeling heard and understood. And then more than a transaction, we're building a relationship and really helping to walk alongside of you in your own wellness journey. And from a practical standpoint, we do that through a wellness consult. So after you get your kit, we help you to, we just set up a call and then we just go over, how to use your oils and products and how to maximize your membership because there's lots of perks and benefits. But it's hard to memorize them all, right? And so that's what we're here for.
Right, just kind of hold your hand in the beginning there just so that you can, be the expert in your own home soon enough. So, But why now, Lance? Why get doTERRA now?
Great question, because some people are like, that sounds great, but then never do anything with it, right? And so, one of the main reasons is Murphy's Law. And Murphy's Law just states that anything that can go wrong will go wrong, and that's no exception when it comes to our health. And I mean, the real question is do you wait to get car insurance until after you get an accident? I mean, that doesn't make sense.
Definitely not.
We by law we have to get car insurance right before. But there's also some people riding dirty, right? Riding dirty. We don't want to ride dirty with regards to our health, right? We want to ride clean and be legal with regards to our health. So that's what we want to do. And what that really looks like is just being proactive and not reactive with our health priorities. And so that's what we've done. We live out the lifestyle. We live the wellness lifestyle. Helps us feel better and just feel younger, feel greater, all that good stuff. I'm just making up words.
Happier, everything.
And
this kit is so amazing because when you purchase this kit, you will get 100 free product credits. That's equal to like $100, Lance. And then you save on this big kit $228. So your membership fee is waived. You start off with 15% back if you decide to join the Loyalty Rewards program, and that comes in the form of product credit points. With every purchase that you make each month that you make, so you make sure that you don't miss out on any products or any freebie of the month, or you're not out of your shampoo or your natural toothpaste or your favorite oil each month, right?
That's right. This kit is amazing because it's basically, it makes over your kitchen and bathroom cabinet, and you get shipping reimbursed as well. I mean, there's just so many benefits of this. It's hard to cover it in one video and hard to remember everything too. But it's so amazing. And what most people do is they just start off as a wholesale customer and they get 25% off. Think of like Costco membership, right? Costco is very similar. And then, but instead of a brick and mortar, it's online. Instead of Costco, it's doTERRA. And instead of the store manager, it's Malie Lance or Malie or Lance. It's us. Yes. All right. And then also you get additional 15% off with the Loyalty Rewards program. So you get 40% off, and you can get up to 55% off. And that's a whole other video on all the benefits you can get and, how we break it down a little bit. But, we just want to give you a little overview of the amount of savings you can get. The point is that the Loyalty Rewards program is the smartest way to buy. You can save up to 55% off. And it really helps you to live a lifestyle of wellness. It's not for people who are just like, I'm a one and done buyer and never going to take care of my health until it's a problem and I'm being reactive. Like, it's not for that. It's hey, I want to live a lifestyle of wellness, improve my quality of life for myself and or my family, and I want to save the most money. I mean, let's go. That's what the Loyalty Rewards program is for, and that's what it's been for me. I absolutely love it. So
yeah, I've gotten hundreds of free product, and I get my products every month. I'm excited to get that package, and I'm ready to use, whether I'm getting my vitamins for the month, I'm going to use those every day. So they're going to run out, and I'm going to need those the next month.
And we're going to cover those in another video. So, Malise, Already giving you a sneak peek. Yeah, these are great. I love them. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you got some value out of today's video. Hit the subscribe button if you want to catch more video updates. And most importantly, make sure to click the links in the description below so you can see what all your kit options are. I mean, the Natural Solutions kit is one of our favorites, and it's the one where I would have gone back in time and tapped myself on the shoulder and say, get this kit, Lance, because 100 product credits, over $228 in savings. You just get so much free stuff. I mean, we offer some additional free stuff on top of all the free stuff for our clients, and so it's a lot of free stuff. I'm just telling you right now, okay? It's amazing. And then you can also email us. Information will be in the description below as well, so you can, hit us up if you have any questions. And then if you're on the fence and you're like, I don't know, I mean, you answered all my questions, but still, I don't know, or we can just set up a 15-minute phone conversation to kind of walk through kind of what your goals are and, what you're really looking to do, and then go from there and just keep it casual, keep it fun, but also really help you to get from where you are to where you want to be. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching again, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!